All right, YouTube, TikTok, whoever's in need of my help. This is a Honda Accord. It has a license plate or tag. Light bulb out. This is a 2013 Honda Accord 4-door sedan. I'm going to show you how to do it. Once, you should just turn on your lights. Just make sure that everything's working after you make the repair. Use a screwdriver, or you could use some type of panel popper. You want to remove these clips. You can pick these up at Harbor Freight. Door panel popper, clip poppers. You don't need to remove every one of them. You can if you want to. The old car's getting old and they could break. They are fragile. And sometimes you can get these at the parts store still or Harbor Freight. So what you want to do is just pull this down, identify which one is out. So the passenger side is out, the driver's side is not. You could service both or just do one. I'm going to say if this is working and you're in here and the bulbs are the same age, just change them both. If it's not in your budget, just do one. And then now we're going to get in here and we're going to pop this apart and hopefully it doesn't break. Yeah. And I said I hope it doesn't break. Alright, I want to set you down because now I'm going to pick this apart. She's not happy. I don't want it to break, so that's the plug.
Oh, let me see what you're doing.
I don't think it turns out. You're gonna take the whole lens out? Very good. All right, so Caleb got up there and got the whole lens out, which is probably the safer method. And then you want to squeeze these two tabs. That's what I was having problems gaining access with. So squeeze these two tabs and then take it apart and then grab the bulb, which is a 194. I don't advise using LEDs because they suck, and what else, Caleb? They don't usually fit unless you buy the good ones.
Yeah, they do not fit unless you buy the good ones. In our experience, at least with 194s.
It's in there tight. See if you can wiggle that out.
See if I can get the phone propped up while I do it.
I couldn't get it. Got it?
Really?
Come on. I mean, I tried.
Wrong way.
194 bulb.
And now
Snap it back in.
before we get it all together, let's just plug it in and make sure it works.
Yeah, make sure we don't have another problem somewhere else in the system. Whoop, she works. And then we're going to snap it back together.
Mm-hmm. That's right.
That's right. No, was it this one?
Yes, this one. You're right.
It was? There you go.
Mm-hmm.
Eyes are getting so bad. Brother, here, let's switch somebody who has good eyes. I made it look easy taking it apart, didn't I?
Mm-hmm. You had it backwards the way you were just trying to put it together.
And then you're going to just snap it right back up inside there. Everything clicked in tight. Voila! So we're not doing both, we're only doing one. I hope that this helped. Thanks for watching. Can't figure it out? Check us out.